We're off to Beach Road today.
Do you want to go for a swim? Come on. What? You want to go for a swim? What? Come on. Come on. Speak. Oh, you want to go for a swim? Oh, you want to go for a swim? What? What?
This is literally a beach road. It's a road with a beach that goes along. It's actually pretty cool, I must say, how this is done.
Do you want to go for a swim, bro? Do you want to go for a swim? Do you want to go for a swim, bro? Oh, you see? What, Bubba? What? What? Oh, do you want to go for a swim?
So this here is coming on to like the loop for the two sides of the road, and it comes to a point, and then it's just one road. But I wasn't taking my car any further because it's too sandy for my car. So we're going to park here and hop out.
Let's go. Up.
It was perfect. Nobody was around us whatsoever, so I didn't even bother putting them on leashes. Just let them go. Try and have fun. This beach is super cool. It's all like little tiny pebbles. Like there's not much sand here towards the water part of it. I can't get over how clear the water is right by my feet, and as you go further out, it's blue, 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 beautiful blue. It was different to go to a place like this because I didn't have to worry about the dogs at all. Like, nobody could sneak up on me. I could see both ways for quite a distance. The dogs literally couldn't run away because we're on a strip of island down two sides of the water, so it was a great beach. We're going to come here quite a lot, I think, while we're here. Look at all the pebbles. It's just so cool. It's literally a pebble beach.
Come on, Pops. Get a girl.
Pretty cool. You can see here how there's water going up both sides, eh? Hence the beach road.
Ooh, that water is.
This is what it's all about.
Come on, little girl. Come on, bro. Come on, babies. Come on. Come on. Lucy. Lucy, Lou.
Here's a full 360. Woo, look at that.
out, mommy. Get out, mommy, you piggy. Hey, Mr. Man. Ready? Ready? Go. Here. It's too cold. It's too cold for that texting. Go swim. What do you want? Ready? Go get it.
My little mermaid over there just swimming along by herself. So independent. This is it. This is the life.
Atra, my baby. Get your girl. Hi. Hi, baby. He's got a big stick. Go, Bubba, go. Run. Get little girl. Get her. Get her. Ooh, she wanted those duckies.
Look how cool this is. The entire beach is just rocks and pebbles all over.
What are you doing? Honey.
Clear literally our favorite thing to do is throw rocks in the water and the dogs go pretend like they're gonna get it. If I let them do this for the whole day, they probably would. So Beach Road is actually done now. We are along the other side, just walking up here.
Baba. Little girl.
We're gonna chill here for a little bit and appreciate how beautiful this is. Enjoy. I am praying to the universe right now. I'm talking to my mom. Praying that she follows us and keep us safe on this journey that we're on. And guide us every step of the way. I am so very blessed.
Loose. You got a stick, Will? Got a stick, Mr. Man? Hey. Go get it. Ready? Go for a swim. Go for a swim. One. Go for a swim. Ready? Set. Go.
She wanted me to throw rocks, but she didn't want to go get them.
Oops, excuse you, Rue. Go swim. Go swim. Go. 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 Go for a swim, Bubba. Go. Go. Come on.
Well, if this isn't the most beautiful place, one of them, I'm not sure what is.
So I'm traveling all across Canada. Right now I'm in Cape Breton Island. Talk about my story a little bit. I'm on a healing journey, you can say, with my dogs. I went through a lot the last couple years and I'm getting myself back on track. I'm the only one that I can count on, me and my dogs. That's how it is. We are number one and that's what matters. So this whole journey is all about finding ourselves again, finding happiness, being okay with who I am, loving me for all of me, and accepting those that don't want to be in my life, which is okay. That's their decision, not mine. So, God, there's so much here. Anyways, so what this whole journey is about. I'm doing a sweat ceremony on Saturday that I'm really excited for. See how that goes. Hopefully it'll help me with everything. This was the perfect place to come for my first spot in my journey to finding me, finding happiness. We have no anxiety. It's awesome. I feel so much better. I feel a load that's completely gone off of me. My dogs are so relaxed. It's crazy. I've never seen... Electra is the black dog. Come here, little girl. So Electra is my little ADHD dog. She's full of energy. She's all over the place all the time. And she's very relaxed. It's different to see this side of her for sure. But everybody's happy. Nobody has any stress here. I don't have a schedule, so I don't have anywhere to be but just to be in the now and be still. So anyways, to those that follow me, thank you for watching. Share my channel so everybody can see, and just watch for our adventures. So we're staying in Cape Breton for a couple weeks. I'm staying with my good friend Joe, Miss Jonina, and her family, which I feel like I'm family. Family is not blood, I have learned. Family is what you make it. And these guys right here are my family. My friends that love me for who I am and all I am are my family. The ones that check on me every day. Anyways, just wanted to have a little chat with you guys, a little pep talk of everything. We're gonna enjoy this, and yeah, see you in a bit. So I just found this really cool rock and I threw it against another rock and it broke open, and look. How cool is that? Crystals all on the inside of it. I'm gonna save this one for my niece. Goes together perfect. Look. And then I also found my first fossil. If you look right there, I know it's hard to see, but there's like a shell imprint right there. But this crystal rock is so cool. Can't tell, but it's glistening all on the inside of it. That was my cool find for today. We were way up there. And now we're almost back to the car, right there.
Don't forget to keep it possum.